All right, I have a question for you, concrete experts out there. We finished the courtyard and we did a soft cut, but where the sun comes down, it goes right along there. We started saw cut over here, but when we got over here, it did this. All these footprints. The tracks from the tires on the soft cut machine. Yeah, it's awful. You guys hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think, how to fix it. So we're going to easy coat it. Today we are first have to prime. We could only prime as much as we could do, so we're going to do half of it today. Hopefully it covers all this bullshit. Hey, now say hi, because I had you on photo. Say hi, Jerry.
Hi, Jerry. Hi.
Christian, say hi.
Hello.
No, say hi.
You gotta
Say hi. Say hi.
Oh, hi.
Hi. All right, primer first, and then easy coat, and then a sealer.
Primer first.
We'll see how it works.
Like and subscribe.
Hear that, people? He said like and subscribe.
If we get more than 1,000 likes, he's gonna give away. No, I'm just kidding.
If I get more than 1,000 likes, then I'll give away the rest of the easy coat left over.
Colors, some hair.
I didn't say who I was going to give it to, so I didn't say I was going to give it to all 1,000 likes. Yeah, it's really weird because you can see the sun comes right through here, or it came right through, about right here. So you don't see footprints on this side. Well, wait. This is where it sucks. See right there. That side sucks. This side was drying. So first part is the quart of primer. And now 3 quarts of water. One down. So as you're mixing it in, you want to pour your color in. Well, and mix this for 5 minutes. Really?
I mean, no.
I'm glad I wasn't recording that. I wish I was.
That was way too quick of an agreement.
Okay. Boy, that don't look like Sahara tan. Smile. All right, this is 2 coats. I'm gonna let this dry a little more and put the sealer on. But it did cover all the marks, and that's a beautiful thing. And the only thing I don't like about this is it actually cannot get wet until after it's sealed. So we're expecting 100% rain tomorrow. So we have to stop here and after the rain, we'll finish that. This, that, this, that. And that is still drying. Well, that looks good. I'm happy with this crap. See what it looks like after we seal it. Well, this is the 4th day of the stain. This is the 2nd coat ready for the sealer. This is the sealer ready for the 2nd coat of sealer. They're doing the 2nd coat over there, and right there will be the 1st coat. Then tomorrow we'll do a 2nd coat, and we're gonna seal everything. We're gonna spray it. So, big difference. So I purchased this stuff at Classic Coatings in Corona, California. The owner of the company decided to actually come out and to the job site and give us tips and recommendations, all that good crap. He came out and he said that we were doing an okay job, but this is the way that he said to do it, and it turned out really good. I highly recommend this crap if you guys have any problems with this. The whole thing was my fault because I wanted to save the $3,000 for the vacuum system for the soft cut. Mistake. Anyways, we got her done. It looked great. VA was happy. I was happy almost, because this came out of my pocket and it was not cheap. These guys have, Classic Coatings have a lot of different stains, concrete stains, sealers, refurbishing, products and stuff like that. I recommend them. good company to work with. I guess I will talk at you guys later. Lesson learned. Don't chintz out on the equipment that you need. Take care. Bye.